If eating muscle turned into body muscle, then most living men in affluent societies would resemble bodybuilders without a noticeable potbelly, and there's no point arguing the obvious. Research confirms that meat is viewed as a superior masculine food, and if truth were known, real men would switch to real plant foods overnight. And because during a man's reproductive years, meat eating decreases ejaculate volume, lowers sperm count, shortens sperm life, and causes poor sperm motility, genetic damage, and infertility. Meat eaters are likely to become impotent because of damage caused to the artery system that supplies the penis with blood flow that causes an erection. Erectile dysfunction is more often seen in men with elevated cholesterol levels and high levels of LDL, which is your bad cholesterol. Both conditions are related to habitual meat eating. And later in life, men who follow a meat-centered diet face prostate enlargement and prostate cancer. So, does meat eating cause erectile dysfunction? Well, a recent post from Dr. Greger says a plant-based diet may improve the attractiveness of men and women, improve sexual function in men and women, ED, increase the appeal of men body odor, and increase the ejaculate volume. And poultry consumption can negatively affect penis size, and fish consumption can reduce the sperm count. Both are due to the industrial contaminants that build up in the meat supply. And erectile dysfunction appears to serve as an early warning sign of heart disease. And Dr. Bernard says that one surprising early sign of life-threatening heart problems is erectile dysfunction. He continues later in his post saying ED is the canary of the coal mine according to Stephen Kopecky, and this is because new studies show that blocked arteries that cause ED can eventually stop blood flow to the heart and brain. Later in the article, he says arteries can literally open up again simply by adopting a low-fat, plant-based diet. And a study has shown normal sexual functions return to almost one-third of the men who ate less saturated fat and cholesterol, both of which are abundant in animal products, and more fiber only found in plant foods. So the take-home message here is that there's a strong relation to erectile dysfunction and animal products. If you're having any sort of problem with ED, it would be wise to look at your diet, since many things are related to diet, instead of popping that little blue pill.